Hello and welcome to Michelle Holden Art, Beyond Mixed Media. Welcome to my channel. And right now I am really having a great time doing my 100-day project. My 100-day project is to do 10-minute art sessions daily, no matter what time of the day. That doesn't matter. And as long as I'm doing them every day in order to connect to my art. And that's what's been missing in my art life. And I'm showing you right here the download that you can get that might be very helpful to you. Even if you're not doing 100 days or the 100-day project, this is a great introspection or self-reflection PDF that can help you grow as an artist. Your creative growth will really improve with reflection. So I am going to just record this in real time. I'm going to set my timer in a moment. I've been doing time-lapse videos just to sort of speed up things because there's going to be 100 of them. So I thought, and then if I record them, show some regular and real-time video, and always have that week's collection at the end. So stay to the end if you want to check out the next week's. I forget which week we're on. I think it's 36 to 42 is going to come up. So this is even ahead, but that's okay. What I'm going to do is, and what I have done is clean my table. I am so pleased I finally got to it. And I'll just show you on a slight angle. Back here, I just found almost a 4-foot piece of pine. Stacked it on some small flower pots, just so I can put all of my smaller bottles of paint that I use for my journaling. I've cleaned up my table because I really want to come back to this and need to every day, especially when I'm doing the 100-day project, but even when it's done. I've cleaned up and I'm using a fresh jar of clean water every day, and I really feel that was a big part of mine. I was feeling squished. I was feeling stressed because I did not have a good setup. So setting up your art is very important, your art space, so it is comfortable for you. So moving on to this, I thought I would start with a wide angle so you could see more, especially my new cleaned up space. And then I'm going to zoom in and start the timer, and I won't be talking. But before I start, I've got a bunch of, and cleaned out this basket of only the current collages that I want to use, a mixture of black and white, bright colors, neutral, old text pages, and collage pages and papers that I've made myself. I have water-soluble oil pastels that are great for just going in and getting those marks down. My Caran d'Ache wax pastel crayons, and my paints. I love Liquitex. I'm using manganese blue today, Indian yellow hue, orange. This is a cadmium red, and black and white. So through this series of pages, I'm really finding that I'm really enjoying at least starting with bright colors, and then I'm still experimenting with the layering and just trying to drop down, as they say, into my non-thinking mode and really enjoy this 10 minutes because it can seem like a lot longer. So if you are new here, welcome. That was a bit of a long intro, but that's okay because I need to share what I'm learning with you. And I'm going to start start the timer and we'll see what happens. So what I'm trying to do is not think of an outcome at all. And that takes time. So let's get started. And that was 10 minutes. Now, I could go further and keep going, but that's not sort of what I want to do. I want to just leave it, and whatever happened in that 10 minutes happened. So let me back up a bit again. So we've got some beautiful bright colors here. I never did end up using this part of, or these collages. And because I just felt it just had that little bit of blue, and I would like to push it back, or maybe even add, I never did use the manganese, which is really interesting. That's very central. Let's just see. What if? So, yeah. And it doesn't really need any more. So, I hope you give it a try, either in the 100-day project or just 10-minute sessions on your own to really, they're so doable. There's so much power in this 10 minutes, more than we really know. And if you really want to find out, continue following me on YouTube, on my channel. Please subscribe and share. And we're going to have a real amazing journey with these 100 days. See you next week.